All right, once in a while we'll get kind of more recent vehicles on trade. Maybe not a sports car, especially. And that's what we have here, 1997 Dodge Ram 1500. Regular cab long box 4x4, as you can see. This is a Laramie SLT package. Pretty nicely loaded, power windows, power locks. We'll get around to that in a minute. So if you're looking for, inexpensive truck, maybe a wood hauler, if you're in our area, something for ice fishing, something to use around the farm, ranch, what have you. Maybe you want four-wheel drive to get through the snow this winter. It's kind of what I see this vehicle being used for. What was it, 160,000 miles, give or take. We'll check the exact odometer when I open it up, and I'll start it up so you can hear it running and everything, check out the interior. We also have still pictures of it. If you want to check out the still pictures, underside, interior, engine bay. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. All right, underneath the hood, 5.9 liter V8. Power steering, power brakes, AC. Have not had the AC blowing cold as far as I know. Obviously falling, going into the winter months here. Tires, BF Goodrich, all-terrain TAs, and these look like they're fresh. Plenty of rubber left on those. Dodge alloy wheels, running boards. Now, this one does have some rust down along the bottoms, the typical places you are going to see them. That's where I'm saying if you're looking for more of just a work truck to get you around in the winter, something for hauling wood, here you go. Like I said, there are spots all along the bottoms of the quarters, cab corners, wheel wells, etc. And remember, we do offer financing. We can assist with transportation, so looking for any of that, feel free to discuss that with your sales associate when you call in. Rear bumper, also same way. Some of the areas where they start to rust. Bet on this one, not bad. Now, as far as the paint, there are some spots where the paint is a little hazy on the hood and the roof. You can see that in the still pictures again. But I have driven the vehicle. Goes down the road, starts, runs. Again, 4x4. Come around to this side, kind of show you some of the spots again. Wheel wells, cab corners, bottom of the doors. Very common where they'll start to go. But again, looking for an inexpensive four-wheel drive, get some work done. Use for maybe hauling something, compost, leaves, wood. There you have it. Interior cleaned up, pretty decent. Some wear in the driver's seat here. Bent seat, and again, power steering, power locks, power mirrors, tilt cruise, all the typical stuff you'd have in an SLT Laramie. Reach in, let's fire this up a second. Sorry, 174,000, just basically just under 175,000. So there's your exact miles, but no warning indicators, any check engine lights on, anything like that. I've had the radio working, AM, FM cassette, headliner. Good shape. Yeah, smooth runner. Slip around to the back so you hear this run. Check out the engine bay too. Engine bay is nice and clean on it, but no exhaust leads, no crazy exhaust. Smooth running Dodge. What you'd expect out of a stock 5.9 liter. I'm going to pause this video a second and just pop that engine bay so at least take a look under the hood for you. All right, here we go. Hood popped. V8, like I said, smooth runner. 5.9 liter. That is paired with an automatic transmission, of course, if you notice that when we're looking on the interior. Kind of gives you an idea how it looks underneath there. Again, stock, 1997. Dodge Ram 1500, regular cab, long box. 4x4. Looking for an inexpensive wood hauler, winter vehicle, what have you, give us a call, 507-386-1726. Still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. All reasonable offers will be considered on this one, so something you're interested in, give us a call or email. Look forward to hearing from you on this one.